Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the cooker base is powered and the red or green LED shows ready. This matters because the heater must reach operating temperature. Once done, slowly open the mains water valve so the tank fills, listen for steady water flow, and look for leaks at connections. Make sure any included scale filter or cartridge is fitted. It protects the boiler and prolongs maintenance intervals. These first steps deliver safe power and water to the system, so you can proceed. You now practice the correct motions. Rotate the handle and press the safety ring or button to release boiling water. This two-step action prevents accidental scalds. For filtered cold or ambient water, use the cold control. If your model has eco or standby mode, activate it to reduce energy use when unused for hours. Always dispense boiling water into a suitable heat-proof vessel, keeping your hand away from the spout to avoid steam. These gestures balance safety with efficient daily use. To complete each use, close the handles, and if desired, run a brief cold stream to clear residual hot water from the spout. This reduces mineral buildup and waiting time. Maintain the system by replacing scale cartridges and following scheduled descaling so performance and warranty remain intact. If the tap stops producing hot water, or you detect a leak, immediately cut power and close the water inlet. Then check visible connections and consult the service manual or support. This prevents damage and keeps you safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.